Hi my dear students, in this video we shall be studying English lesson number 1.4 Revati's musical plants. This lesson is about a girl named Revati who loved playing music and even her plants love her music and she will be participating in best plant contest. So let's see how her plants react to her music and what happens in the competition. But before we will first complete our warming up exercise. So look at question number 1. Question number 1 is discuss in groups and share your answers with the class. First one is, can you name the famous musician in Emperor Akbar's court who could perform miracles when he sang different rags? Can you name the famous musician? Yes, his name is Tansen. Second question is, what miracles could he perform with his music? So, he could perform miracles like it is said that when he played Rag Megh Malhar, it would start raining and lamps would get lit by Rag Deepak. Okay? Next, what impact does music have on a human being? How does we feel after hearing music? If music is good and soothing to ears, we feel calm, right? Next, do you think music can have an impact on animals, birds and even plants? Yes, of course, they are also living beings, so music could impact them. Now, look at point number 2, that is affirmative and negative sentences. First, read the sentences below and spot the difference in their framing. Point number 1, A is, I could not complete the work. B, I failed to complete the work. Point number 2, A, there is no sense in what you say. B, there is hardly any sense in what you say. 3, A, he said he wouldn't go. B, he refused to go. So, you will observe that sentences marked A and B convey the same meaning. But in all the sentences marked A, there are negative words like no, not, wouldn't. Whereas the one marked as B do not have them. So, negative words are those that conveys a negative meaning. So, you can or you can spot the difference, like in the point A of 3 points, there you can see the negative word like not, no, wouldn't, right? Wouldn't means would not. But whereas in point B, the point B is also conveying the same message. Point B क्या कर रहा है? वही same message, वही same sentence repeat कर रहा है, but without negative words. So the sentences which contain the negative word is called as what? Negative sentences. And whereas if a sentence doesn't have any negative word, then such sentences are called as what? Affirmative sentences. Understood? Now, negative words examples are also given like never, no, neither, nor, not, cannot, don't, isn't, nothing, etc. If a sentence contains negative words, it is called as negative sentence. And if a sentence does not contain any negative word, it is called as affirmative sentence. अगर sentence में negative word है तो वो क्या हो गया? निगेटिव सेंटेंस. अगर सेंटेंस में निगेटिव वर्ड नहीं है तो वो कौन सा सेंटेंस हो गया? Affirmative sentence. Understood the difference? And negative words like no, nor, neither, don't, would not. Okay? Now next point is, say whether the following sentences are affirmative or negative ones. Here we have to identify whether these sentences are affirmative or negative. So first one is, we must avoid hurting others. Can you see a negative word in this sentence? No, there is no negative word. Then this sentence, the first sentence is affirmative. She didn't offer me any help. In this sentence, is there any negative word? Yes, there is, that the word didn't. So this is what? negative sentence. Never give up hopes. Again, the word never is what? Negative. So this sentence is also what? Negative sentence. You must keep away from bad company. Is there any negative word? You must keep away from bad company. No, there is no negative word. So this one is affirmative. There is nothing in the bag. Nothing is what? Again the negative. Then this sentence is what? Negative sentence. Entry is prohibited without permission. This sentence is what? Affirmative. Here note is given that while interchanging negative and affirmative sentence, the meaning and tense must not change. Okay, we can change the negative into affirmative, affirmative to negative, but the meaning of the sentence shouldn't be changed. ओके सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए और वो जिस टेंस में है. इफ इट इज़ इन पास्ट टेंस वी हैव टू राइट द अपोजिट इन द पास्ट टेंस ओनली. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल अगर निगेटिव है तो उसको निगेटिव पास्ट टेंस में दिएला, तो अगर हम अफर्मेटिव में चेंज कर रहे हैं तो वो भी कैसे रहेगा? पास्ट टेंस में ही रहेगा. वी कैन नॉट चेंज द टेंसेस. You must use negative words in the sentence while converting from affirmative to negative. You may use words like hardly, fail to, refuse, reject, avoid, prohibit, without, ban, etc. while changing negative sentence to affirmative. Here the few example of words are given, like if you want to change the negative sentence to affirmative, you can use these words. Those are like hardly, fail to, refuse, reject, avoid, prohibit, without, ban, etc. Okay, hope you have understood this affirmative and negative sentence. Now look at page number 17. Lesson number 1.4, Revati's musical plant. Revati was a student of music. She was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house with a small cement bench. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. So, Revati was a student of music, means she was learning music, and whenever she was free, she used to play violin. And there was an open courtyard in front of her house. उसके हाउस के फ्रंट में एक ओपन कोर्टयार्ड था जहाँ वो एक स्मॉल सीमेंट की बेंच थी. So she used to sit over there and practice her playing violin over there. Okay, and in their courtyard there were few potted plants. और उसके कोर्टयार्ड में क्या था? कुछ प्लांट्स भी थे. While playing on the violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. The plants were not looking normal. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. She remembered she had learned in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight. So, one day while she was playing a violin in her courtyard, Revati noted a pot of balsam. Balsam means what? Balsam is the name of a plant. Okay, here the meaning of balsam given on the right hand side is wrong. Balsam क्या है? वो एक medicinal plant है. So Revati noted a few pots of balsam which were near the wall, and those balsam plants were not looking normal. That is, their leaves had turned pale green. Pale green means light green. And their growth was stunted. That is, it was slowed down. Okay, balsam plant के leaves क्या हो गए थे? Pale green हो गए थे और उनकी growth भी proper नहीं हो रही थी. But then she remembered that plant needs sunlight for the normal growth. Oh, okay, which she had learned in the lower classes. So she moved the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight. रेवती ने balsam plants को के pots को क्या किया? उसके courtyard के center में shift किया जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight थी. While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Why not participate in the best plant contest, which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? Then and there she decided to participate. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plant and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. She was very fond of the rag Mohanam. She played the rag for some time and went in for her studies. So, then what happened? Then while shifting the pots, an idea struck in Revati's mind. रेवती को एक आइडिया आया कि why not to participate in best class contest which was going to be held in her colony. ओके उसकी कॉलोनी में एक बेस्ट प्लांट कॉन्टेस्ट होने वाला था फ्यू वीक्स के बाद, तो उसने वही सोचते सोचते प्लांट को वाटर डाली और फिर बेंच पर बैठकर देन शी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग वायलिन. शी प्लेड हर फेवरेट राग मोहनम एंड देन शी वेंट इन फॉर हर स्टडीज. Every day Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. One day as she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plants. They were slowly moving, their stems bending slightly towards her. She wondered why they were moving as there was no breeze. It struck her as odd. So, every day Revati would sit on the bench and watched her प्लांट्स. ओके वो हर रोज़ बेंच पर बैठती और अपने प्लांट्स को देखती और वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से ग्रो भी हो रहे थे. बट वन डे व्हाट हैपन while she was playing music on violin, she noticed the movements in the plants. Okay, the stem was slowly moving and bending towards her. It struck her as odd, means it seems वेरी स्ट्रेंज. उसको स्ट्रेंज लगा कि कोई ब्रीज दैट इज़ हवा नहीं चल रही है और प्लांट्स मूव कैसे हो रहे हैं. The next evening too she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plant with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. That day also there was no breeze. Then what happened? The next evening as usual, she played violin and watched her potted plants. Okay, but after some time again the plants showed the same movement. फिर से आज भी plants move होने लगे, रेवती के तरफ bend होने लगे. And by seeing this, she was astonished. Astonished means amazed. Okay, surprised. वो surprised हो गई कि उस दिन भी कोई breeze नहीं चल रही है और ये plants कैसे move हो रहे हैं. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. She suddenly saw all plants turn away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Then she started playing her favorite tune again, and the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent toward her. Her surmise became a certainty. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. Then what did Revati do? She played a different tune which was quick one. Okay, then suddenly all plants turn away from her. दूसरी म्यूजिक सुनकर प्लांट्स दूसरे साइड मूव होने लगे. बट as soon as she played her favorite music again, the plants bends toward her. Then her surmise become a certainty, means के जो उसने सोचा था वही हुआ. उसके प्लांट्स को भी उसका फेवरेट ट्यून, उसकी फेवरेट म्यूजिक पसंद आने लगी. वो भी उसकी म्यूजिक को पसंद करते थे. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flowers. The flowers were mauve with white strips. So she kept the knowledge a secret. Okay, which knowledge? That her plants were responding to her music. Okay, Then there were only few days left for the prize distribution. कुछ ही दिन रह गए थे prize distribution के लिए. And to her great surprise, Revati's plants look taller and healthier. दूसरे plants के comparison में रेवती के plants taller और healthier हो गए थे. And even they started flowering earlier. और उस पर flowers भी जल्दी आना शुरू हो गए थे दूसरे plants के comparison में. And even those flowers were big and brightly colored. और एक plant पर तो unusual kind के flower आए थे. Those flowers were mauve with white strip. Mauve means which color? Pale purple, that is light purple color. Okay. That evening she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. The next day was the all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. She searched all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. So, after seeing her plants, she thought she will definitely win the prize. Okay, so she went to bed dreaming about her plants and new flowers. रेवती को अब यकीन हो गया था कि वो ये competition जीतेंगी. And next day was the important day, that is the which day? Competition day. ठीक है, फिर then what happened? Next day when she got up, she went straight to the courtyard to see her plant. But there was neither the pot nor the plant. Revati blinked her eyes, but they were not there. रेवती के pots भी नहीं थे और ना ही वहाँ पर plants थे. फिर उसने चेक किया कि कहीं किसी ने उठाकर और कहीं तो नहीं रखे हैं. Then she searched all over the courtyard. She asked her mother also, but her mother knew nothing about the missing plants. रेवती के plants कहीं पे miss हो गए थे. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot, but later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard. Okay, but previous afternoon there had been some neighbors to Revati's house. पिछले दिन आफ्टरनून में रेवती के यहाँ पे कुछ नेबर्स भी आए थे और उन्होंने उन प्लांट को पर और फ्लावर्स पर कमेंट भी किए थे कि फ्लावर्स कितने ब्यूटीफुल है और प्लांट्स कितने हेल्दी है. बट आफ्टर दैट रेवती गॉट बिजी एंड हैड बीन नॉट टू द courtyard. Revati's grief knew no bounds. She went around asking for every one of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plant. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music. Revati's grief knew no bound. Grief means what? Pain, sadness. Okay, they knew no bounds, that is they have no limits. She went to every one of her neighbor who were present at the home previous afternoon, but nobody knew about the plants. Okay, no one had been near the pot of plant. कोई भी plants के बारे में नहीं जानता था और वो plants के ये police station में complain भी नहीं कर सकती थी. She could not lodge a complaint for a lost plant. She felt as if everything was lost. If something which is near to our heart, if it is lost, how we feel? We also feel the pain, right? अगर हमारी कोई चीज़ खो जाए जो हमारी फेवरेट थी तो हमें भी कैसा फील होता है? सैड फील होता है. वैसे ही रेवती को भी फील हो रहा था. So she was also in pain. She did not mind winning the competition, but she really missed her plants. उसके प्लांट उसको बहुत पसंद थे और वो उसके फ्रेंड्स की तरह थे जो उसका म्यूज़िक एंजॉय करते थे. That evening, all her friends were going to prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plants on the bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizer of the show and told them about it. Then what happened? That evening Revati didn't want to attend the prize distribution ceremony, but her friends forced her, okay? That's why she went. But after reaching there, she went to saw the plants which were on the display. वो अपने friends के force करने के बाद वहाँ competition को देखने के लिए, ceremony को देखने के लिए गई और जो plants display में थे वो देखने लगी. Then Revati was shocked. रेवती क्या देख के शॉक हो गई? There she saw her pot of plants. Okay, उसने क्या देखा? वहाँ पे उसके pot of plants है, and with name of a distant neighbor as a competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. ओके कार्डबोर्ड पे उसके नेबर का नाम लिखे हुआ है और वो कार्डबोर्ड सॉइल में डाले हुआ है और मीन्स रेवती के प्लांट्स वहाँ थे और वो पर किसी और के नाम से. ओके शी न्यू डैट इट वॉज हर पॉट ऑफ प्लांट. सो शी वेंट टू ऑर्गेनाइजर मीन्स जिन्होंने कॉम्पिटिशन ऑर्गेनाइज किए थे वो उनके पास गई और बोली कि ये उसके प्लांट्स है. The organizers were not convinced. They say, how can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her? But the organizers were not convinced. वो convinced नहीं हुए. They said that, how can you prove that the plant is yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. वो lady हमेशा इस competition में participate करती है. हम उस पर doubt नहीं कर सकते. तुम्हें ये prove करना पड़ेगा कि ये तुम्हारे ही plants है. Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending toward her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizers that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. Revati wondered. She started thinking, how could she convince them? कैसे prove करे कि ये उसके plants है? She sat there for few minutes looking at the plants and suddenly she remembered that how her plants respond to her music. Its scenario flashed across her mind. Okay, then she told the organizers she could prove the plants were her. Okay, so she ran home and returned with her violin. वो उसके घर जाकर अपना violin लेकर आई. पर ये देखकर organizers उस पर हंसने लगे. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, I know my plants. I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. But they ridicule her. That is, they make fun of her. Okay, but this did not deter. Deter means discourage her from her mission. She told that I know my plants. I share a secret with them. मैं मेरे plants को जानती हूँ और हमारा एक secret है और वो ये कि मेरी plants भी मेरी तरह music lovers है. They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her. They all laughed at Revati. They said that they have never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? क्या plants के पास भी ears है जो music सुन सके और enjoy कर सके? और किसी को रेवती पे यकीन नहीं हो रहा था. Nobody believed her. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite rag. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plants for a time, but the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Revati felt dejected. Dejected means disappointed, okay? But she was determined to win her plants back. उसे उसके प्लांट्स फिर से हासिल करने ही थे. So she sat near her plants and started playing her favorite राग. रेवती ने अपने प्लांट्स के नज़दीक बैठकर अपना फेवरेट राग प्ले करना शुरू किया और वो उसमें इतना खो गई कि कुछ टाइम के लिए वो अपने प्लांट्स के बारे में भी भूल गई थी. बट अदर कुड नॉट. विथ वंडर इन देयर आइज दे वॉच द प्लांट्स. वो वंडर से ये देखने लगे कि अब प्लांट्स कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे. Straight at first, they bent slightly as she played on and on. Their stem bends toward Revati as though they wanted to touch her. In their happiness, the organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. So, when the plants heard the Revati music straight at first, they bent slightly, okay? But as she played on and on, okay, they bent toward her. Towards whom? Towards Revati, as if they wanted to touch Revati in their happiness. ऐसा लग रहा था कि प्लांट्स खुशी के मारे डांस कर रहे हैं और वो रेवती को टच करना चाह रहे हैं. And the organizers were stunned. Stunned means they were amazed, okay, as they had seen something new phenomena of plants responding to the Revati's music. वो लोग भी अमेज्ड हो गए कि उन्होंने कुछ नया देखा, कुछ उन्हें नया पता चला और रेवती कौन थी? न्यू डिस्कवरर बन गई थी. ओके, देन द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स अपलॉड मीन्स व्हाट? Praise her by clapping, and now they were convinced that it was Revati's plants. अब ये ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को भी यकीन हो गया था कि ये प्लांट्स अब किसके हैं? रेवती के ही है. They pulled up her neighbors for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plant. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. Pulled up means to tell someone that they have done something wrong, okay? So, or the organizers pulled up Revati's neighbor for cheating. At first, her neighbor didn't agree, but after a long argument, she agreed that she had stolen Revati's plant. उसने long argument के बाद agree किया कि उसने रेवती के plants stole किए थे. She said that while walking past Revati's house, she spotted the plants. वो जब रेवती के घर के वहाँ से जा रही थी तब उसने वो plant देखा था और फिर night time ने उसने stole means चोरी किया, okay? And then she submitted them for the contest, and as she was regular participant, nobody doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. Then authorities, that's organizers, okay, all the members decided that Revati's plant deserved to win. So she got the first prize as they were the best looking and healthier. रेवती को फर्स्ट प्राइज़ मिला और रेवती फर्स्ट प्राइज़ लेकर ओके और अपने प्लांट्स को लेकर वो प्राउडली अपने घर गई. Our lesson is complete now, and don't forget to like this video and comment me you have understood this lesson or not, okay? Till then, take care, bye bye.